Okay, so one of the things I was able to do in my Microsoft Teams was set up channels on the side based on the areas I had identified. And then within the public channel, so any channel that is private where it's locked and you only allow certain team members to be in there, you are not able to add this task tab at the top using the planner. But any public channel that all members of the team can be a part of, you can add a task at the top. One of the great things about the tasks and the planners is there are these things called buckets, and buckets is similar to Trello where you have a topic name and you can begin adding the tasks underneath that. And as you add the tasks within that channel, so the website, I can start to add tasks there. Graduate emails, I can start to add tasks there. Even in terms of event logistics, I can start adding buckets for the event logistics, for instance, the stage or for signage or for ticketing. And so this was something I was able to work on that I had learned from the modules.